Ladies and gentlemen and children of the planet Earth, today I am bringing you a real philosophical conversation discussing the word Zion and how it can be spelled utilizing the so-called numbers inside the Olympic logos, aka the numbers 2012, with an additional dot that actually is the dot that capitalizes the small I in the word Zion. And before I go there, ladies and gentlemen, you used to know me as Michael Fazio, and you know that I have converted myself to the Judaic philosophy and am now a Talmud Jewish cowboy. But what you didn't know, and this is part of the Talmud Jewish philosophy, is once we become converted over to becoming a Talmud Jew, what we like to do more than anything else is we like to let our curls swirl. So here's a picture of me curling my swirling and curling. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Now I'm a Talmud Jewish cowboy. Yes, yippee-i-o-ki-yay. And before I give you my professorship in the Michael Fazio School of Zionism, let me blow my horn. Beep, beep, beep. In maritime talk, that would mean I was taking you over on your port side. But moving past all of that, ladies and gentlemen, let me show you a picture of a web page that I have been viewing on the screen, which is over here. When you Google the 2012 Olympics logo, you will see this come into your screen. Now, more to the point, ladies and gentlemen, what I would like to show you is how the numbers, so-called numbers, of the 2012 Olympic logos can spell the word Zion. Now, this is supposed to be a 2, this is supposed to be a 0, this is supposed to be a 1, and this is supposed to be a 2. But let your imagination run a little wild and look at this number 2 as the letter Z. And if you'll notice, inside this letter Z is the word London. However, it's not capitalized. Notice it's in small letters. That is a breach of the English language in and of itself, because even when you put it into your word processor, it capitalizes itself. So they did this on purpose. And the reason that they did this on purpose is because this word London, when you take the first 3 words, it looks like the letters I-O-N. And if this number is in fact the number 2, and the first 3 letters of London are the letters I-O-N, then you can spell Zion. And the last 3 letters would be the letters Don. And we know what Don means. It means the chieftain or captain. So the Zions are in fact the captain of the London Olympics. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of my dissertation on the philosophy of how Zionism is not only taking over the world, but it has now proven itself to become a global entity by taking over the 2012 Olympics logos and the 2012 Olympic logos itself. And not only that, I would imagine that sometime between now and then, there will be another 9/11 event proving once and for all, somehow being related to the Olympics, that the Zionists are now in control. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a Talmud Jewish cowboy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yippee-i-o-ki-yay!